The action camera market in 2025 is shaping up to be a thrilling battlefield as two highly anticipated devices prepare to hit the shelves: the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and the Insta360 X5. Both cameras aim to set new benchmarks in their respective niches, with impressive upgrades designed to attract creators and professionals alike. Let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two upcoming powerhouses, exploring their design, features, performance, and pricing to help you decide which might be the better choice for your needs. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4, building on the success of its predecessor, the Osmo Pocket 3, promises to redefine compact videography with its robust set of enhancements. Measuring slightly larger at 140 by 43 by 35 mm and weighing approximately 190 degrees, the Pocket 4's design strikes a balance between portability and functionality. The addition of a 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen with a resolution of 480/800 and a brightness of 800 nits ensures better visibility and usability, even in bright outdoor conditions. Enhanced ergonomics further improve the user experience, making the Pocket 4 comfortable to handle for extended shooting sessions. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X5 carries forward the unique elongated design that has become a hallmark of the X series. This design not only caters to the requirements of 360-degree photography, but also prioritizes usability and versatility. While details about its exact dimensions remain undisclosed, the X5 is expected to retain its sleek form factor with ergonomic refinements that improve handling. A standout feature of the X5 is its rumored 1-inch sensor, which represents a significant leap in imaging capabilities for 360 cameras. This sensor is expected to deliver sharper images, better low-light performance, and reduced noise, making it an ideal tool for capturing immersive 360-degree footage. When it comes to performance, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 boasts an upgraded 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing highly detailed 12-megapixel images or higher. Its 20mm f2.0 lens offers vibrant colors and a wide dynamic range, ensuring stunning visuals in various lighting conditions. Videographers will be thrilled with its ability to record 4K videos at up to 240 frames per second, a substantial improvement over the Pocket 3's 4K 120 FPS capability. This leap in frame rate opens up new creative possibilities for ultra-smooth, slow-motion footage. Additionally, features like 10-bit color modes, including D-Log-M and HDR, enhance post-production flexibility, making the Pocket 4 a versatile tool for professionals. The Insta360 X5, on the other hand, shines as a contender in the 360-degree camera arena. Its upgraded sensor is expected to support stunning 360-degree photos, with resolutions surpassing 72 megapixels and single-lens shots that exceed the 18-megapixel benchmark of its predecessor. In terms of video, while specific frame rate details are yet to be confirmed, the X5's advanced imaging capabilities are anticipated to deliver exceptional video quality, rivaling or even surpassing its competition. Insta360's software ecosystem, which includes AI-driven editing tools and intuitive post-processing features, further enhances its appeal, allowing users to transform raw footage into professional-grade content effortlessly. Stabilization is a critical factor for action cameras, and both devices excel in this area. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4's 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even during dynamic movements like running or biking. ActiveTrack 7.0, an upgraded version of DJI's renowned focus and tracking technology, adds features like phase detection and eye tracking, enabling the camera to follow fast-moving subjects with impressive precision. This makes the Pocket 4 a reliable companion for action-packed scenarios and dynamic vlogging. The Insta360 X5, while not equipped with a mechanical gimbal, leverages advanced digital stabilization to achieve buttery smooth footage. Insta360's flow state stabilization technology, combined with AI-powered features, has consistently set a high standard in the industry. With the X5, These capabilities are expected to reach new heights, ensuring that creators can capture steady, professional quality footage in any situation. Audio quality is another area where both cameras aim to impress. The Osmo Pocket 4 features a 3-microphone array with enhanced whine noise reduction and stereo sound recording, offering creators better audio quality straight out of the camera. Support for external microphones and DJI's wireless audio systems further extends its versatility, making it an excellent choice for vloggers and interviewers. In contrast, the Insta360 X5 is rumored to incorporate AI-powered noise reduction algorithms that could revolutionize audio recording in action and 360 cameras. By effectively eliminating background noise, the X5 aims to deliver cleaner, more professional-grade audio, a feature that would appeal to creators looking for seamless integration of visuals and sound. Battery life and efficiency are crucial for cameras used in demanding environments, and both devices deliver noteworthy improvements. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to offer up to 200 minutes of 4K recording on a single charge, a slight upgrade from its predecessor's 166 minutes. Faster charging capabilities, potentially reducing charging time to just 25 minutes with DJI's PD charger, make it a convenient option for creators on the go. The Insta360 X5 is also anticipated to enhance battery performance, with better heat dissipation technology ensuring uninterrupted recording during long sessions. These upgrades make both cameras suitable for extended shoots without the need for frequent recharges. Pricing is another critical consideration for potential buyers. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is projected to launch at $699 for the standard edition and $799 for the creator combo, reflecting its advanced features and premium positioning. The Insta360 X5, on the other hand, is expected to be priced more competitively, with estimates ranging from $450 to $500. This pricing strategy could make the X5 an attractive option for users seeking high-quality 360-degree capabilities without breaking the bank. As for their release timelines, both cameras are slated to debut in late 2025. This strategic timing positions them to capture the holiday season market, with eager creators and professionals looking to invest in the latest technology. The competition is set to be fierce, with DJI, Insta360, and other players vying for dominance in an increasingly crowded landscape. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and the Insta360 X5 cater to distinct audiences while offering overlapping appeal. Judging by the specs, the DJI Pocket 4 stands out as a compact, versatile tool for traditional videography and vlogging, with its robust stabilization, high frame rates, and ergonomic design making it an ideal choice for creators focused on cinematic storytelling. The Insta360 X5, with its advanced 360-degree imaging capabilities, innovative audio features, and competitive pricing, emerges as a strong contender for those seeking to push the boundaries of immersive content creation. While both cameras promise to deliver exceptional performance, your choice ultimately will depend on your specific needs and creative goals. Let's wait for the release time till then. Do you have any wishlist also opinions for the DJI Pocket 4 and Insta360 X5? Share with us in the comments. Thanks for watching.